What is the value of the expression 5 squared minus 5 divided by 5 times 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's break it down step by step together. To solve this problem, many people start by calculating 5 squared first. And instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 25 minus 5 divided by 5 times 2. And the next step, they usually perform the subtraction between 25 and 5 and simplifying this expression to 20 divided by 5 times 2. Then, they proceed by doing the division between 20 and 5, which gives them 4 times 2. And finally, they multiply 4 by 2, which ends up with the answer 8. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. Also, some other people to solve this problem first go for the expression 5 squared and they simplify it to 25 minus 5 divided by 5 times 2. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 5 and 2 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 25 minus 5 divided by 10. Next, they perform the division between 5 and 10 since they believe division has priority over subtraction. And they rewrite this expression as 25 minus 0.5, which ultimately gives them the answer 24.5. And immediately, they conclude that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me show you step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 25 minus 5 divided by 5 times 2. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between the two 5s, and this expression simplifies to 25 minus 1 times 2. Now, it's time to do the multiplication between 1 and 2, which gives us 25 minus 2. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to 23. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.